In this video, I'll show you how you can fix popping, crackling, or static noise audio from your PC. The way that we can do this is right-click on our sound here and open up Sounds, then head over to Playback and find whichever recording you are using. So in my case, these are the speakers, so I would go to Properties. Under Levels, I would try and play around with these. Under Advanced, in here you want to play around with these and see which one works for you. Now for some people, if they have many different options, some of them will make the popping noise, so you can try and press another one, apply and OK, and see if any of those help. Now if you're using an external device, so I'm using a surround sound, but my actual speakers are these, you also want to make sure that you do it on those. So in here, as you can see, I have so many different, you want to play around with them. For some people, if they're using this, it's going to cause the issue, so just play around until you find one that works. Also, if you have enhancements, you want to make sure that you try and play around with these. You can try and disable all and see if that works. Otherwise, you can try and use the singular ones and see if any of those cause the issue. Now, another thing you can try is you can come here and search for troubleshoot settings. Go to additional troubleshooters, choose playing audio and run the troubleshooter. Now, this might also help fix the issue. And then the last thing I suggest you do is you try and plug your headphones or your speakers out of your PC and then plug it back in. And also, this is a weird one, but sometimes if you put your phone close to your PC for some reason, it's gonna make like a weird sound. So if that happens, just move your phone a little bit. And I really hope this helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.